it feel like a good one?
He's pretty decent. You want to feel him, Tina?
I don't think so.
Do it, Tina.
No, I'd be afraid I'd drop the rod.
Really, you can't feel all of them because the drag set.
He's caught a monster, man.
Did you?
Holy fucking, it's fucking huge. Oh my god.
I don't think you're getting that one in the boat. Oh my god.
Does that look like a big net anymore? Get that thing on the camera.
I can't. Yeah, I did.
Get that fucking fish on there.
Oh my god, Mike.
Holy that thing is like fucking 6 feet long.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
That's funny.
I've never seen a fish this big.
Yeah. Me neither. Yeah.
Oh.
Billy, do you want Mike to do or Alex to do the net?
What? I don't want to grab onto the tail of that.
That thing like might jump in the freaking boat.
I'm kind of scared actually. You guys just keep him up there, please.
How many feet you got left, Mike?
Get back out to 46.
Nobody jump out of the boat.
I'm pretty sure that's the biggest fish I've ever seen in fresh water.
He's gonna come and bite us in the face.
How many more feet? You got 40 feet again?
Oh yeah, he's taking off again.
Billy, you better wham him in the head. When you like, don't let him up here.
That thing was a monster.
That
thing was like 6 feet long.
Yeah,
and
give me
like
your
this
phone.
round.
Where's your camera?
I almost
You can find it.
Holy fuck. I'm scared.
I gotta take it up.
I'm gonna drop his camera when it comes up here.
For an hour if you
Dude, how do I work this?
So I shouldn't be recording.
Yeah, you should
twice
record
as far as when it
this.
started now.
How far is it then?
70 feet.
Dude, you're gonna run out of line and then we're gonna lose the whole thing. Shoot.
We can make this a team effort if you want.
Holy balls.
You want Alex to reel in for a while?
76 feet.
76 feet?
I can't believe we saw him though. At least you got saw him in case we lose him, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, if he gets up, it takes off that way. Should I pull up the second anchor that I put down? Yeah, we'll get an anchor down.
Then he's gonna pull us around the river.
You have enough line, don't you, Mike?
Wow, that fucker was a fucking monster.
Jeff's gonna be jealous.
By far the biggest fish I've ever caught. Whoop. Sorry.
That's okay. It didn't fall in.
He's going again. He knows.
This is what I wanted to do. This was my goal for the weekend, and then Dad.
I thought you did too.
I've never seen a fish that big in my life.
I don't know if I've seen one even half that big.
I've seen pictures.
We better have a group.
Let Alex reel Mike.
Take over for a little bit.
Don't lose him!
Holy shit.
Don't lose him!
Better not lose him or I'll be pissed. You're going in.
You're going in.
So heavy, isn't he? Oh my god. It's within. Back.
Dude, I gotta get a picture.
pull a seat or anything, Mike?
Oh, sorry.
You want to pull my seat out? He's gonna be big.
Big isn't even the freaking word.
Billy, where's your camera?
What?
Where's your camera?
No, you need like there's an Apple camera scale.
But which one's better?
This thing's 100 pounds.
Tina, can you reel my rod up and get it out of the way?
Want to get the video in one or the camera on the other?
I got the video going. It's been
You got a fucking 100-pound fish on in here right now.
8.5 minutes.
We're all freaking paid. That'd be worth it.
If we get this one fish in,
Can you mount it or anything or no?
Hey, take my wallet in case I go in. Trying to reel this. There, it's right there.
oh my God. Everybody's looking. Just kidding. I don't know about you, but I'm staying there.
I know.
I almost had him this morning. Oh, God, I hate that feeling. Yeah, it was like. What's he up to?
Did you saw it when it came up, didn't you?
Oh, give me that. 15. Okay.
Yeah, keep him right there.
Close. 10 feet.
We trade spots with
Okay,
you.
Billy, you get his head, and I'm going to try to get his tail. Then you kind of just got to pull him up at the same time. Throw him in there somehow. And don't get stabbed.
Are they sharp?
The back, those things on the all over his body are fairly sharp, yeah.
Holy shit.
What is he?
It's scary.
11 feet?
Right here, man. 11 feet. Oh, I saw a flash down there. 11 feet down. 13 feet.
Are you scared, Tina? Be afraid.
I don't want to come up with this big mouth and go, ah!
Yep. It's been
Oh.
10 minutes, 45 seconds. 8 feet.
Here he comes.
Oh, he's going.
Shit.
He goes.
I'm gonna have to pee before this thing gets up here.
I'd wait.
I'm gonna.
Make sure he doesn't jump into the...
Good thing you had that rod, hey. Don't you think a regular rod would have snapped?
I think so.
Alex, don't you think a regular rod would have snapped?
What?
Billy,
regular rod
don't lose
would've
him. Mike will be mad.
Probably could have.
Billy, do you want me to take your sunglasses?
How many feet is he now? 14?
These things are on
Is he running again?
He's still up to within 15 feet.
Come on, Mike, get them!
Holy shit!
You sure you don't want Alex to take over?
Back up to 20. Ooh, I hate jerkins. Oh.
I hope you got him good, because...
Oh, why did you do that? He went back up to 21.
I hope we don't lose him.
I know. I hope you don't lose him.
There he is. Oh! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Look at that!
Holy shit.
Hey, Billy, bring him to the side of the boat there. Try it. You're gonna have to take a head when he gets to like halfway on the side of the boat.
Hope I don't drop my phone.
Tired. I'm not tired enough though. So don't net him yet. You're gonna net him when he gets up here, so I can get his tail.
Yeah, you'll scare him otherwise.
I'm gonna put a glove on now.
You want to come to the other side of the boat?
I told you guys should have took some chairs out, honey.
Holy shit. God.
Oh, that is so big.
Oh my God.
Keep pulling him.
Holy shit.
Keep pulling him. Okay, hold on. Keep pulling him. I'm trying. Billy. Come this way, Billy.
Billy, come this way. Reel a little more, Mike.
I can't reel him. I'm just trying to hold him.
Alex, can you just grab him and pull him in?
Just grab the line?
No.
I don't want to do that. I'm going to wait till his head's up there so I can reach on and get his tail.
Okay, do you want him to just stick the head in the net?
Tell Alex will tell him when. Watch the line so don't get broke. Okay, I got his tail. Here's his head. His head. Ready? Oh, shit. Get his head, Billy. I can't see shit.
Oh,
Oh my God, come on.
He's not in. He's not in.
Hold him in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Holy fuck. Woo! Get in! Woo!
15 minutes.
Holy fuck. Oh, what the hell are we gonna do?
Move the chair, Mike.
Holy shit. We need some pictures here. He's gonna like.
Monstrous.
Can you take the hook out and then?
Yeah, we gotta get the hook on him. Can you pick him up? Yeah.
Billy, have you ever seen a fish that big?
I'm still shaking.
Monica caught a massive one.
Not that massive.
Turn over. Jesus.
This thing's so big.
There's the hook.
He looks like a freaking shark, man.
No way.
What?
It's hanging on by a sliver.
See, let's take a couple
God, where's the
pictures.
tape measure?
Right, is that?
I want to see if you can pick him up. Mike, you're going to have to get your camera for pictures.
Right there. Okay.
Something with him. Pick him up.
I'll take a picture.
Yeah, we gotta get him back in.
We're back in the water.
Billy, help him.
Oh, ready? You guys can get ready to take a picture. Okay, hang on.
We gotta see his whole tail here.
Okay.
He's starting to
Billy,
bleed.
grab him.
Here, I'm gonna try one.
No, wait, Billy, wait.
Okay,
Ready?
go. Shit, he's heavy.
Turn him sideways, Alex.
Take a picture of me.
Hurry, hurry.
Here, Billy, hand me that camera.
Hurry up, please. Here, Dad, you hold on to his tail over there.
Hold him the long way.
Long way.